Okay, I think we're done with the sidebar for now. So we can move on to chat. So chat doesn't have any CSS yet. Let's see what we had in static. So in the real world, you may very well find yourself on a team where one team does the design, another team does the implementation. If that's the case, you may really get CSS like this that you need to turn into React. But it's also very common for that to be the same person's job. Front-end developers a lot of times do both. So, okay, this is all we need to do to chat. That doesn't look too bad. It also doesn't look like we need Aphrodite for that. So this one's an easy one. Just down here after the component inside chat.js, I'll say const styles equals this stuff. Get rid of the semicolons. Make them commas. Quote these two values. Change flex direction to be camel case instead of dasherized. And apply this to the chat div. Style equals styles. Okay, don't really see any difference. I don't think we're going to see any difference until we start styling its children. But there it is. That one wasn't a big deal. Still going to copy and paste my chat.js. So let's go ahead and do the chat header. Breaking down chat, we'll do chat header, then message list, then message form. So chat header. It's a relatively simple component as it is. What did we have in chat static? Chat header.css. Doesn't look like anything tricky. There's no pseudo classes or anything. So again, I don't think we need Aphrodite. So I'll just add const styles down here. So the header itself, chat header itself, has some rules. And then the H2 inside there has some rules. And then the paragraph has some rules. All right. So I'll say chat header. Those rules. Fix the indentation. Change the semicolons to commas. Camel case. Quote my values. Actually apply the style, so that's called chat header. So here's my header. I just add a style equals styles dot chat header. I'll go ahead and put this on multiple lines because that's kind of long. And then the H2 has some rules, and so does the paragraph. So H2 paragraph. Here are the H2 rules. Here are the paragraph rules. Quote my values. Semicolons to commas. Font size should be camel cased, both places. Don't forget to apply the rules. So here's the H2. Style equals styles dot H2. Go ahead and put that on a couple lines. Paragraph, I'll do the same. Style equals styles dot P. There we go. Beautiful. I'm not sure I really need to have an explicit height on here. Let's get rid of that. Yeah. If I wanted to space it out a little more, I could put some extra padding. I have no padding at the top and bottom. I'll just add some. Let's just make it one rim all the way around. How's that? That's a little much. 0.5 at the top and bottom, 1 at the left and right. There we go. I like that. That's better. Now I think my chat header looks pretty nice. Copy that, put it in Slack. And now we've styled chat itself and the chat header. And I'm satisfied with that. Style, chat, and chat header. Nothing tricky about those. It's just a matter of getting it done. Just repetition, getting familiar with the whole idea of CSS and JavaScript. Just get some practice. Questions? Frankly, if you want to copy all these style sheets into app.css and be done with it, I don't really care. But I want to at least show you that this is a thing because, it's a good practice. But if you can make it look right, I'm not that concerned.